Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the 6th generation, the newest iPad Pro 12.9 with the M2 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM. As y'all can see right here, again 128 gigabytes of storage, 12.9 inch 6th generation Wi-Fi only. So I already took off the little strips on the back, as you can see here. Best Buy had this on Black Friday sale. Today is Black Friday. I took 55 bucks off of it. I don't think anywhere else does. I could be wrong. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong on that. But I know Target, at least this yesterday and this morning, was not. They're just giving selling one of the crayons, or whatever they're called, for a little bit cheaper. Got one of the non-iPad or non-Apple branded pencils for cheaper. They're crayon. So you still do get a charger with this, which is quite nice. And it is a 20-watt charger. Ooh, get a nice braided, I'm gonna call that braided. Nice fabric-y charger here. USB Type-C to USB Type-C, or charging cord. Not charger, but charging cord. Of course, you have your paperwork and whatnot in there. Get rid of this junk. So this, so I think I paid $10.45 for this, something like that. So normally $1,100 for the base version of this 12.9 inch beautiful slab of awesomeness. So let's look at this real fast. So we're on the bottom here. Your two speakers, USB Type-C. The side here has nothing. We'll call this the top. Two speakers and a power button. And then the other side here has your part for attaching it to your keyboard or whatnot. Your keyboard, if you want to do that. Then you have your volume rocker right there. To your accessories, that's the words I'm looking for. And then the back does, of course, have your camera array. I really am excited to see how good this is. See if it's better than my current phone that I'm using right now for making videos. Alright, then let's somewhat quickly set this guy up so we can actually look at it. This thing is huge. This thing is really cool. And it is at 78% charged. Sorry if I mix up my words here. I've been up since early this morning for Black Friday. We are in the US. Since do a quick start if you have an iPad near you, which actually I do. And then otherwise you do it manually. Alright, so I'm going to see what happens if I set my iPad 9 next to it before I even got near it. It said yeah. So I'm going to do it this way, the quick start. Yes. Alright, then we have hold your new iPad up to the camera. So let's just see how well this works. There we go. Alright, then ask you who you wanted to set up for, yourself or for a child. I chose for me. I don't have a child. Alright, then it's going to have us finish up over here. Real fast, you guys can see this is 12.9 inches. This is 10.2. Even with the big bezels, this thing is quite a bit bigger. Face ID, I'm going to skip. You can set that up if you want to. Otherwise, you can do a passcode. Again, I'm not going to do it, but you can set one up. Or then it's going to ask if I want to transfer it from my other iPad. So I'm going to say yes. That is the whole point of doing the quick setup here. Estimated transfer time is 15-20 minutes. So that should take anything you have downloaded on your other one and put it onto this one, or download onto your new one. And then make this your new iPad. Again, it'll show you what you have on here along with your settings. Otherwise, you can customize it. Then asking if we want to use Siri, what voice you want to use.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You
I don't
can
think-
change it later in settings.
I don't think any of those are the original Siri, are they? Alright, after you choose to set her up or not to, well, thumb up or not thumb up, I chose set mine up, because why not? You can do improve Siri dictation by sharing audio recordings. I'm going to say not now, personally. Then, of course, we have a software update. Then, after you do the update, which does take a little bit of time, it will now transfer data from your old iPad to the new one if you chose to do that. Otherwise, you can manually download everything that you had on your old iPad to the new one, or onto your new one. But since we chose the quick option there, it is now downloading everything that the old one had onto the new one. Alright, so mine took about 20-ish minutes, depends on how much stuff you have on there, for how long that will take, the transfer will take. When it was done, it said, do I want to erase my other iPad? So you can erase your iPad right away, or not. So I hit not now, because I'm going to be keeping that iPad as well. Then we can set up Face ID if you want to. Then next is your Apple ID. Alright, then we should be able to get into the iPad itself here. So then, apparently all my stuff's still going, all your stuff's still going to be downloading. I don't know why it takes so long. It might just be better to not do that quick step and just go and download everything yourself, because that did take a while. It took at least 20 plus minutes for mine to download, and there's not a whole lot of stuff here, and it did not actually even download it. So it might be quicker just to manually do it all. But nice thing about these iPads is that you can delete pretty much anything. Actually, you can delete everything on here. Compared to like the Amazon, which you cannot delete any other bloatware. This you can delete every single thing on here. I think literally every single thing on here you can delete. So that's cool. Yeah. So y'all let me know what you think. Again, I got mine on Black Friday sale at Best Buy for $55 off. They also had the M1, the previous generation, for only $800. They were sold out of those, so I went with this one instead. So I'm really excited to see how this compares to both the iPad 9, which is of course a lot cheaper. Then I also have was my main tablet right now, the Samsung. That shows like a PetSmart there. The Samsung Tab S7 Plus, which was last generation's very fast tablet from Samsung. So also very expensive. Yeah, y'all let me know what you think. This is downloading as y'all can see. As always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll be doing comparisons with this beast versus my other tablets, versus my budget tablets, and then the S7 Plus I just showed off. Again, thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think. As always, I really do appreciate you. Hope you have a good one. See y'all next time. Goodbye.